Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Talking eBay. Doing a quick video. We're going to show you a couple of things I just picked up at a church bazaar. You know, this is the holiday season, and if you're out at the church bazaars looking around and you're not sure what to find, or if you're not sure what you have, always look around because you just never know what you're going to find. So I looked around this church bazaar. They had an elephant table, they had an elephant room, they had nothing left. It was the last day. I did go the last day, but I did find these two things sitting on the shelf. So I wasn't sure. I did a quick look at them and I said, wow, this really can't be a Burberry trench coat, can it? And man, it is a Burberry trench coat. You can see here, it's all opened up. You can see it's all Burberry. It's a little wet here because I added some deodorizer, had a little odor to it. And another trick that I do on occasions is I'll get some Febreze deodorizer and just spray it down. It helps eliminate some of the odors, give it a couple of treatments, and that takes care of that. It's really not that complicated. If it's not too bad, if it's a light odor, definitely takes care of everything. So I wasn't really sure if it was Burberry, but it has all the double tags on it. This definitely is a vintage Burberry, probably from maybe from the 70s or 80s, maybe even earlier, but this is definitely a Burberry tag. This is a vintage trench coat. And I'm going to show you the back of it right here. So this was sitting on the rack. Okay, sitting on the rack is the beautiful trench coat. You can see it's in good shape. It's missing one button back here, which to be expected. It is old. The rest of it has all the buttons. Opens up. The liner was bad, so I took out the liner. This is what's left, which is really nice shape. The inside of the coat is in nice shape, and the pocket has a small hole in it. But I'll disclose all of that. So make sure you disclose any imperfections, any rips, any tears. But believe it or not, these are still viable. This jacket alone, I paid these two coats. I paid this coat here, and I saw this Misty Harbor raincoat extra. So one extra woman's jacket. This is a raincoat, Misty Harbor. This is in very good condition, front and back, has the hood, total rain jacket. So these two jackets were $2 each. I got them for $1.50 a piece. I gave them $3 for two. They were glad to get rid of them. And I'm surprised no one else picked up this Burberry jacket. I mean, there's nothing really wrong with it. It's in great shape. This jacket will sell between $150 and $200, okay, easily. And this jacket will sell between $35 and $50, depending on the market. This color is a good color, probably more like $35 to $40 plus shipping. This here is between $150 and $200 plus shipping. This jacket here. So these two jackets cost me $3, and I'm going to probably profit over $200 in my pocket once I get done with shipping, fees, and everything. That is a score. So you never know what's on the rack. So take your time, look around, look through the racks. You never know when you're going to see a vintage Burberry jacket sitting on the rack. It's in great condition. Really, really is nice. And this is a nice condition too, by the way. Very, very nice. The liner's beautiful inside. This is a nice, clean jacket. This one's in very good condition. Again, the Misty Harbor is the back and the front. So the lesson is, just because there's nothing left, there's always something around the corner. You never know what you're going to find. So here we go, two examples. So keep your eyes open. This is the time of year that you're going to find this kind of stuff at these bazaar, church bazaars. They have the white elephant tables. They have people donating all kinds of stuff. And you can never know when you're going to find a Burberry jacket sitting for $2 on the rack the last day. And this is fantastic. I love it. It's a good trench coat, good shape. Definitely highly recommend looking. Don't give up. Don't quit. Keep looking. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. Wanted to show you what Talking eBay, what we find sometimes when you source. So definitely check this out. We're going to list these in the next couple of days. And I appreciate your time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know. Leave some comments down below what you find this year. Just look. Keep looking. You never know what you're going to find. Don't be afraid to just, rummage through the things. And don't be afraid to ask for a discount as well. It doesn't really matter. So two great deals. Keep on searching. Keep on sourcing. Appreciate your time as always.